Hey y'all, it is a beautiful crisp fall day here in the Ozarks and we are gonna make some homemade hot cocoa. We're gonna start off with 4 cups of whole milk. We're gonna do 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of the white chocolate, Ghirardelli white chocolate chips. Oh, I'm splashing that everywhere. 1 cup of the milk chocolate. There we go. Let me find my little stirrer. What do I do with that? Got a stir. Now we're gonna do 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Did you know that your cap of vanilla is a teaspoon? So let's do a teaspoon of that. All right. Now we're just gonna give this a stir until it's all nice and melted together. This is great for a party and it's so much better than the powdered hot cocoa. Don't get me wrong, I love Swiss Miss. Me and her are friends. I mean, she's got me through a lot because I'm not a coffee drinker, but I do like to put hot cocoa into a coffee cup and pretend like I'm a coffee drinker and cool like everybody else. But I hate the taste of coffee for some reason. And so I've always been a hot cocoa drinker. I'm gonna transfer this over to a crock pot. I've made 2 batches of this. And then we're gonna make a little whipped topping for the top. Perfect for a holiday party. Just let your ladle sit right here beside it. You can set it on a nice little holiday saucer probably. Set it right beside there and then everybody can serve themselves. Now I'm gonna make some whipped topping for the top. I think I have about a cup in here of heavy cream and I set my bowl in the refrigerator for a little bit. You can put it in the freezer or the refrigerator so it's nice and cold and then just pour your whipped topping in here. You can use, drag your beaters out if you want, but I'm just gonna use this whisk. Try to get it beat up really good. It won't take very long at all if I can get a good hold on it. It's getting there, it's getting thicker. Oh yeah, now it's getting there. We're gonna add a little powdered sugar. Probably about a cup of that. It's gonna be sweet. You can do your powdered sugar to taste. Good. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and drag the beaters out, you probably should, because this is quite a workout. But we got her done. That is made with love. All right, I'm gonna put a little splash of vanilla in there. There we go. Now I'm gonna put a tiny splash of peppermint. Just a tiny splash. Peppermint. Here we go. Oh! No, not a tiny splash. There's a lot of peppermint. I was waiting for it to come out right there and it started running down the side. Woo! That's gonna be pepperminty. Okay, just exactly how I wanted it. There we go. Oh my goodness. Homemade whipped topping. And y'all don't think I exercise. Worked up a sweat on that one. Leave a little room for the whipped topping. That's not too much peppermint at all. That is perfect. You know what that is? That is love in a cup. Go make this. And come see me at Local Flavor.